Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, Brave rolled out the latest major version upgrade for Brave browser, which pushed that version up to 1.68 and to Chromium 127. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. Now, just to let you know that if we head to our main menu, Help, About Brave, that Brave has rolled out another update, which I noticed today in my region on the 28th of July. And at this stage, though, it seems to be what I would consider to be a unknown update, because it seems someone has forgotten to update the release notes. So we don't know exactly what this update is bringing to the table, but there has been an update that has rolled out because the browser version has been bumped up to 1.68.131, where with the version upgrade last week, it was bumped up to point release 128. So that's definitely had an update. But the Chromium platform is exactly the same as it was previously. So this update is only applying to the Brave browser. So that makes me think that it's not a security update for anything Chromium-wise. It's just maybe a bug fix update at this stage, bringing some, maybe an improvement or two and a bug fix or two for the Brave browser itself. Now, as mentioned, nothing mentioned from Brave, so it's exactly hard to pinpoint what this update brings to the table, as mentioned. But just bringing it to your attention, if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 1.68 last week, just double check your browser's up to date. And as I have said previously on the channel, the browser is very good at updating itself in the background. And actually, one of the new features was that it was updating the component that actually updates the browser, meaning that we could even get better updates running in the background without having to actually look and double check on Brave. But nonetheless, just bringing it to attention, because obviously I know some of you on the channel do use Brave browser. So if you have experienced any issues, check it's up to date. And if anything changes majorly, maybe it's something else I haven't mentioned in this video over and above, maybe a bug fix or two, obviously I'll let you guys know if that does change. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.